Today, Guru Purnima, we dedicated to your mentor. Okay, we have Mother Day, Father Day every day. Yes, but in the spiritual day, but even for the Mahashivratri, Rakhi, every festival. But today's day, full moon dedicated to your mentor. Don't keep limited your thinking up to only spiritual mentor. Nowadays, what I feel, we have kept limited our thinking, oh my God, we have to call up a guru, either we have to go into guru's place, take the blessings. A guru is 24 hours with you if you believe. गुरु को ढूंढने का जरूरत नहीं है. गुरु आपके पास है, आपकी समस्या होगी, गुरु का अगर फोन नहीं आया तो गुरु किसी और की समस्या दूर करने में वेस्ट होगा. Must be busy in the someone else. But you are, for example, just I explained, whenever you have any problem, first it's come to Guru, then it's come to you. And Guru in the body is an element, and in the planets, there is one planet, Jupiter planet. Whenever your astrological chart, your Jupiter come in a favor, you get among your spiritual mentor or the professional mentor. Whenever your Jupiter planet, as per divine astro healing, there are 12 rooms. Every room have one guard. Okay, and every guard is authorized by one Lord, just like for Guru. Guru is for Dhanu and Pisces, Meen Rashi or Dhanu Rashi. To Capricorn and Pisces, to zodiac. So just see, whenever your Jupiter come in the 9th house or 5th house, first any spiritual mentor or the professional mentor. So it is my word to you, don't keep limited your thinking up to your spiritual mentor. Okay. Number 2, today is a day to pay the gratitude. Today is not day to ask something. We are asking 364 days to Guru. But today, what we can do for Guru? What is the word? क्या बोल रहा है? उन्होंने क्या बोलते हो? किस चीज को follow करना? If you follow, just remind him whatever his Guru says. Today, just pay the day up to pay the gratitude. Your Guru, simple. And as per me, your Guru element started from your mother. Okay? Mother is your first Guru. So you just, how many today, because moon lunar eclipse, how many called up their mother first? Yes, no? In the US not possible, maybe possible. Yes, very good. So means you started the. So today, before we started our moon lunar eclipse session, चंद्र खंड को हम तैयार करें. उसके पहले हम आइए कुछ मंत्र की चेंटिंग से. Anshu ji, is it possible that you chant the mantra which you sent to me? Can you chant it? Wow, very beautiful short mantra with a lot of meaning. Anshu ji sent to me, and just we are going to listen what is. Then I will explain the meaning of that also. You just unmute yourself already. Yes.
Om Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasya Dilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhihi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. The meaning is, I wrote in English also at the bottom, and the meaning is, it's actually just explanation what Guru is. Guru is he who has attained the bliss of Brahman. It's the meaning of every line actually in all. He has attained the bliss of Brahman, the supreme joy. He who is pure, free from delusion, embodiment of wisdom. The second line is Dvandatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasya beyond the duality of the world, sky high in spirituality. He whose attention is on I am that. Then the third line is Ekam Nityam Vimal Machalam Sarvadhihi Sakshi Bhutam, one with divinity eternal, without impurities, immovably established in truth, he who is witness to everything from his omniscience. And the last line is Bhavatitam Triguna Rahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami, beyond the mind, that's emotions, without the three gunas, Sattva, Rajasa, and Tamasa. Salutation to the Holy Guru. Like Guru is all pervading. He's listening. He's always there. He doesn't, you cannot see it, but he's always around you, above you, beyond you. It's just always present. That's the basic meaning of this. Thank you, Guruji.
Very good. Yes, we will get clear. Yes, very good. Now, thank you very much, Anshuji. And whenever I receive a message, the same time I thought, should I give the opportunity to Anshuji, just chant and say the meaning. Everybody have one guru, not physically inside, right? First, enlighten your guru element, and it's enlightened only when you meet a one 5-element body who offer the knowledge, immediately enlighten your guru element. And whatever she explained, the guru don't search guru in a body. Guru is everywhere. Guru is especially with your moderation, with your worries. Maybe possible Guru can ignore you when you are happy. But whenever you are in the trouble, whenever in the tension, whenever you are any type of pain, Guru will be there. Okay. Now, in my teaching, I am saying to all of you, here is the 26 Guru, not one Guru. If you are thinking that Krishna Guru is no, I pay the gratitude to all of you 26. Okay, so you also can become Guru for someone. How you can become Guru for someone? That if you do any unconditional work, my Guru said, if you do any unconditional work for anyone, you become Guru for him. First unconditional work is mother. Yes, mother have no condition with you. My God, till last her breath, she is your mother. She always pray for you. Whenever you suffered from any pain, oh my, oh ma, oh ma, you immediately got a voice. Means is highly connected. First, you said your mother. Second, father. And only one, again I am repeating this word because this is very essential on today's day. To whom receive the knowledge? Maybe possible I receive the knowledge from Anshuji. Anshuji become my Guru. If you surrendered your Guru name also, not bring any karta bhav. Oh my God, I am Guru, surrounding with the people. And today's day, now what I feel, and I am no doubt to say it, people have some, social status. Yes, my Guru is there, I'm going to meet it there and then. No. They just say like this. कहीं ना कहीं अपने गुरु के प्रति कृतज्ञता व्रत करने में भी वो एक भौतिकवाद लेकर आते हैं. हमारा गुरु आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर, हमने इनवाइट किया उनको. They are not, from their body language you cannot see is a paying gratitude to Guru. He just want to inform you that just a big man is coming. Talk with yourself. First, respect your own Guru, number one. Start journey from mother, father, okay, any inspired, then your life, any spiritual mentor, like a professional mentor, just pay the gratitude. Whenever he come in your thoughts, whenever he come in the physically, just you can pay the gratitude. Rest, you work with you, because your guru, just Anshuji chant the mantra, guru is always with you. Don't search guru in the 5 element body. If he is a guru, positively he will come whenever you in the trouble. 100%. Either you get the call, either you get any remedy, immediately thought. You can thought about guru, to whom you follow. Immediately, oh my God, Guruji, what I do? You get the reply. Because your faith, your belief, make that person guru. For example, you are thinking me as a guru. No third one, because you have the faith. So our faith and Vishwas is a make someone guru. Even one statue is just like a stone statue, but you can pray, oh my God, he's become God. Your faith, your devotion, they make the God. Okay, but you can see the guru, those are very blessed, they can see the 5 element with the guru and they can talk. And it's happened only with the Krishna Arjun. Immediately those are talking as a friend and immediately they convert their relation, but now you are become my guru, you guide me. Then Krishna gave the whole knowledge of the guru. Before accepting knowledge from guru, you have to empty your pot. आपको अपने पात्र को खाली करना होगा. आपका ज्ञान यहां तक भरा हुआ है, फुल नॉलेज, डिफरेंट स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज से, और उसके बाद आप गुरु से नो, आप रखें अपना नॉलेज, बट whenever you go listen to guru's knowledge session, just become empty like a student and just activate your beggar of knowledge. I explained earlier also, there are 4 types of beggars. One is for money, one is for praise, another is for apathy, and 4th is knowledge. You activate your guru knowledge, and just whatever you say, just listen, right, and follow. Until then, you not apply on yourself, guru's knowledge is not useful for you. जब तक आप किसी ज्ञान को अप्लाई नहीं करते हैं अपने जीवन में, तब तक वो ज्ञान कोई काम का नहीं. ये मेरा आप लोगों से निवेदन है, शुभकामनाओं के साथ, आपको ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ, आप जो भी किसी भी गुरु से, आपको ऐसा नहीं, कोई भी गुरु से आपको कोई भी ज्ञान मिले और ऐसा लगता है आपको कि आपके हित में है और आपके साथ साथ ये सभी लोगों के हित में है, तो उसको अप्लाई जरूर करें. गुरु के द्वारा मिला हुआ ज्ञान को अपने जीवन में लागू करना सबसे बड़ी गुरु दक्षिणा है. गुरु दक्षिणा इज नॉट कनेक्टेड विद द मनी. अरे क्या दोगे उस गुरु को आप यार, आप क्या दोगे, आप क्या दोगे? जिसको शास्त्रों में भगवान से बड़ा बताया कि गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपके जो गोविंद ये दिखाए, क्या दोगे उनको यार? है? तो बस गुरु को सच्ची दक्षिणा तो आप ये दे सकते हो कि ऐसा लगा कि वो कुछ ज्ञान बोल रहा है, उस बात में एक बात भी आपके काम की है, वह बात के काम की आपने लागू कर ली और आगे किसी और को सिखा दी. इससे बड़ी गुरु के लिए गुरु दक्षिणा नहीं हो सकती. यस, एग्रीड? ओके. तो आज अगर आप मुझे चाहते हैं जैसे गुरु के प्रति आपके मन में ग्रेटिट्यूड हो, डोंट कंपेयर दैट थिंग विद दैट अदर डोनेशन एंड मनी, नॉट एट ऑल. Please, whatever you receive the knowledge, not for me, not I am bringing myself, anyone knowledge. If you give any knowledge talk today, anyone, for example, Wish here, just give, how are you? Today you talk, oh yeah, you talk with your mother. Yeah, your mother is first guru, just give a call. Due to Wish, if one person is called her mother, it's safe. You see, we have to spread the knowledge. We are not keep limited on the one person. Okay, So today in my presence, there are 27 participants, including me. Whatever we receive the knowledge, whatever may be possible, you are some more intelligent than me. Just whatever knowledge you receive and just apply. And spread that knowledge, anyone. Don't feel that you talk with as a friend. That's why Guru, Mat, Pita, Guru, Bandhu, Saka. Guru Saka, you talk in a friendly way, just like Krishna Arjun. When their talk has been started, they are just like a friend. That time Arjun was not aware too much. Okay. So now today's my Guru Dakshina is you become a Guru for someone and just offer one knowledge. Okay. And don't keep any, involve your name, involve your body. Just see its order. Done? Wow. Very good. So today is the Guru Purnima, especially 8% live is celebrated very well in the different sector, in the different part of the globe. But today one element, the Sai Baba. Everybody pray for Sai Baba, and the priest of one temple of the Seattle, Krishnanji. I request Krishnanji, just say a few words on the Guru Purnima.
Namaskaram, Guruji. Thank you for the opportunity. Actually, I'll keep it short. But Guru Purnima usually is, it is celebrated on the Purnima day, on the month of Ashada. So actually, if you remember Mahatma Gandhi, you might ask, we have many Purnimas during all the 12 months of a year, but all 12 months of a year. But why this specific, the Ashada month is celebrated? Because Mahatma Gandhi, revived, this practice of celebrating gurus, and that's the reason, we started, formally celebrating one of the Purnimas in the month, and then we celebrate it as Guru Purnima. But Guru Purnima, if you look at the significance, it's like offering your gratitude for all the Guru, for all what Guru has done for you. And as Krishna Guruji mentioned, he mentioned it very aptly that every day we should follow what Guruji, what your Guru teaches. Say, for example, Baba tells us, Sai Baba tells us to practice faith and patience. He says, I don't need any money. You don't need to give any money, but you need to help people. You need to help the poor. You need to feed them. Any help that they need, and anything that you can do out of your time with your effort, do it. That's what he says. So we have to imbibe that, and we have to follow that, every day of the year, every moment of the year. And Guru Purnima is one day where we have to, at least, we are human beings, right? We are not elevated at that spiritual level where we can remember it every single moment. But at least on Guru Purnima, we imbibe his teachings, we remember his teachings, and take a oath to ourselves to follow this. This is a new year for us, to start practicing what our Guru teaches. And as Guruji says, you can have many gurus. Like you can have your mentor. Even in spirituality, you can have many gurus. Like for me, I have Shirdi Sai Baba, I have Satya Sai Baba, and I have other gurus as well. So, at one stage, you pick and choose, whatever the Guru says that, that you mentally connect with and start practicing. So that's what I wanted to say about Guru Purnima. But, your gratitude and, your humbleness to Guru should always be there, not just on Guru Purnima day.
Thank you, Krishnanji. Thank you very much. Thank you, Krishnanji. So, how beautifully Krishnanji explained the same word in a different way. But Sai Baba, if you want to follow Sai Baba, if you're patient to read Sai Charitra, Sai Buka is okay. 2 words, faith and patience. Just follow 2 words. My God, you're not required to do anything. If you are carrying the whole spirituality, whole Adhyatma come in the two words, faith and patience. Patience means accept all. Try to be happy at that moment. And faith means one time come where your all botheration worries will kill. श्रद्धा और सबूरी दो ऐसे हमारे वो हैं, शब्द हैं जो हमारे पूरे जीवन को सार सकते हैं. फेथ मीन्स अर्थात विश्वास. मैं आज ये विश्वास करता हूं कि मेरे को जो भी समस्या है इसको लेकर चलूंगा और विश्वास रखूंगा कि बहुत जल्दी मेरी समस्याएं दूर होगी और जो भी मैं चाहता हूं वो पूरा. देखो आप साईं बाबा के जीवन में क्या था, आज भले सोने में बैठे हो, जीते जी तो उनको कुछ नहीं मिला. सामान्यतः हमारे यही है कि हमारे यहाँ एक व्यक्ति की कीमत उसके आसपास के आभा मंडल से की जाती है. उसके आसपास के आभा मंडल मीन्स द पीपल दोज आर सराउंडेड एंड explaining about them. Now, the lot of intelligent people on this globe, they are sitting in the home. They don't want to come out. They don't want to become a karta bhav. But you have to do that such type of people and get the knowledge. And for every woman, every wife, your husband is a guru. First, respect husband. You're not respecting the husband and you are going to the Guru Ashram. I think you're not justice with your life. Especially I'm saying to all the women who become a wife, please, 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 just give a call to your husband also. Today's Guru Purnima, my Guru said, you are my Guru. Because that Guru you see as a friend. You can fight with Guru. Okay. So your fighting Guru is your husband. Okay. So now it's okay too much Guru Purnima we talk, but just we chant one bhajan also. And today the bhajan especially I composed this when I did my course in 2004 of Art of Living. And immediately I connected with the vibrations and all, because whenever you do any spiritual practice, and I composed one song. And I thought, just see the miracle. My faith was strong. My God, when I compose a beautiful song, I will sing that person who's a Dadiwala. They always keep the photograph. I asked someone, Guruji, his person is living. Yes, you can hug him. Oh my God. My God, when he came in, the thousands of people, more than 50. My God, I thought, my God, I am unable to sing whatever. Guruji Ravi Shankar, he came in about 204 October in the Lord Stadium. My God, he said, okay, just ask anything. Just for example, I starting the session. Well, ask anything. I ask only one thing. Okay, Guruji, I want to sing in front of you the bhajan which I composed, because that I was very, passionate and enjoying singing. So after 3 hours, 4 hours, when the session is over, they all collectively, more than 2,000 people are there, and I like to chanting the bhajans. मेरे को भजन बजाना अच्छा लगता था. मैं आगे बैठा था. He came. Now just say what you want. Oh my God! I start to crying and start to sing the bhajans. Okay, so just 4 lines of the bhajan we listen. Just keep your eyes closed and think about to whom you Guru follow. जो भी आपके गुरु हैं उनके बारे में याद करो. It is the biggest gratitude to our gurus. जो हमारे गुरु उन सब के लिए biggest gratitude होगा ये. आंखें बंद करें. Just keep your eyes closed. अरे आती जाती श्वास बोले जय गुरुदेव. आती जाती श्वास बोले जय गुरुदेव। अरे जब भी मुख से बोल निकले निकले गुरुदेव, बोलो जय गुरुदेव, जय 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 गुरुदेव। अरे आत्मज्ञान का अनुभव गुरुजी आपने ही करवाया, आत्मज्ञान का अनुभव गुरुजी आपने ही करवाया। श्वासों का जीवन से रिश्ता आपने ही समझाया, श्वासों का जीवन से रिश्ता आपने ही समझाया। अरे मेरी हर पल श्वास बोले जय गुरुदेव, मेरी हर पल श्वास बोले जय गुरुदेव। अरे जब भी मुख से बोल निकले निकले गुरुदेव, बोलो जय गुरुदेव, जय 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 गुरुदेव। अरे काम क्रोध और लोभ को तजना आपने ही सिखलाया, काम क्रोध और लोभ को तजना आपने ही सिखलाया। अरे इस कलयुग में हंसता जीवन आपने ही दिलवाया, इस कलयुग में हंसता जीवन आपने ही दिलवाया। अरे मेरी हर मुस्कान बोले जय गुरुदेव, मेरी हर मुस्कान बोले जय गुरुदेव। अरे जब भी मुख से बोल निकले निकले गुरुदेव, बोलो जय गुरुदेव, बोलो जय गुरुदेव। जीवन की इस ज्योत को गुरुजी आपने ही चमकाया, जीवन की इस दोत को गुरुजी आपने ही चमकाया। अरे सुदर्शन से स्वयं का दर्शन आपने ही करवाया। अरे मेरा रोम रोम बोले जय गुरुदेव, मेरा रोम रोम बोले जय गुरुदेव। अरे जब भी मुख से बोल निकले निकले गुरुदेव, बोलो जय गुरुदेव, बोलो जय गुरु। Keep your eyes closed. अपनी अपनी आंखें बंद रखें, अपने अपने गुरु का स्मरण करें। Just think of your spiritual mentor. Be in Namaskar Mudra. Both thumb must be touching your heart chakra. In Namaskar Mudra, दोनों आपके अंगूठे मिले हुए हृदय चक्र को टच कर रहे हो और हथेलियां मिली हुई नमस्कार मुद्रा। और उस गुरु से जो भी ज्ञान मिला है इसके प्रति कृतज्ञता दें। ते भी स्पिरिचुअल मेंटर्स हैं आपके, जो भी किसी का भी सीखा हुआ गया ज्ञान, दिया गया हुआ ज्ञान आपने जीवन में अप्लाई करा। Now release your both hands. Keep your eyes closed. अपनी अपनी आंखें बंद ही रखें। दोनों हथेलियां घुटनों पर, your both palm on your knees. Now just think about moon, full moon. The snow white light spread by moon, पूरा ध्यान चंद्रमा की प्रतिमा पर. मन की आंखों से चांद की कल्पना करें. Imagine the moon, full moon image. Become aware of your chest area. अपनी छाती पर ध्यान ले जाएं, lungs पर ध्यान ले जाएं. Become aware of your lungs and chest. Now become aware of your all the storage of water. In the kitchen, there is a few pots where the water is there. Over a tank, only your house. सिर्फ अपने घर में संग्रहित पानी पर ध्यान ले जाएं. जहां जहां पानी रखा हुआ है, मटके में, किसी बर्तन में, आरओ में, घर की टंकी पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं जहां पानी संग्रहित होता है. Become aware of the storage of the water in your home, in the kitchen. Now become aware of the unboiled milk which you keep near with you. Those forget to keep the unboiled milk, they can imagine the place where they keep the milk. Unboiled milk जो आपने अपने पास रखा है, उस पर पूरा ध्यान, उस पात्र पर ध्यान, उस क्वांटिटी पर अपना ध्यान. और जो लोग दूध रखना भूल गए हैं, वो घर के दूध के स्थान पर जहां भी फ्रिज में रखा है, कहीं भी रखा है, जस्ट ब्रिंग द इमेजिनेशन. Place of milk you keep in the fridge or anywhere. Just think of your mother. अपने मां तत्व पर ध्यान ले आए. मां जिसमें संपूर्ण आध्यात्म, संपूर्ण भगवान बसते हैं. मां धरती पर है या नहीं है, उनका चेहरा अपने मन रूपी आंखों से निहारें और उनके साथ गुजारे पल भी याद रखें. Try to recall the time which is spent with your mother. Whole attention on your mother face. whole body is paying the gratitude to your mother. Whole body. Every part of the body is praying the gratitude to your mother. रोम रोम कृतज्ञ है अपनी माँ का। इसने इसने निस्वार्थ किया। ऑफर द फर्स्ट अनकंडीशनल, पूरा ध्यान माँ पर। Now become aware of your heart. अपने हृदय स्थान पर अपना ध्यान ले आए। Just think of sun. When you offer water to sun, no life without sun. Pay the gratitude to the sun element. Now become aware of your father. अपने पिता के चेहरे पर ध्यान ले आए। आपके साथ हो या ना हो, become aware of your father face. We did the hard work for you. Fulfill your all desires. Pay the gratitude to your father. Those are married, they think about their husband. विवाहित महिलाएं अपने पति पर अपना ध्यान ले आए. Become aware of the navel area. अपनी नाभि पर अपना ध्यान. Become aware of your husband and male and married male. They think about their right shoulder. जो भी पुरुष हैं वह अपना पूरा ध्यान अपने सीधे कंधे पर रखें. And to all wives, just become aware of the navel area and think about their husband. Those are unmarried. They can think about their siblings. जो भी विचार आ रहे हैं, allow every thought. Married man, attention on the right shoulder. Married women, think about their husband, attention on the navel area. All wives think about their father-in-law and mother-in-law. जो भी पत्नियां हैं अपने सास और ससुर पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं. पुरुष अपना ध्यान अपने बाएं कंधे पर ले जाएं. All the men keep attention on left shoulder. Now become aware of your all brother and sisters. अपने सभी सिबलिंग्स पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं. अपने आप से चेक करें क्या आपका कोई भाई या बहन इस स्थिति में है. आप कुछ कर सकते हैं. Are they are in the pain? Just pray, heal and bless to your all brother and sisters. Your mother having the pain if you're not talking with your siblings. We all are one, having the same blood, same genes. Don't make any distance due to your liking and disliking. Forgive them if they did any mistake. Ask forgiveness if you did any mistake. कृतज्ञ हो आपके भाई बहनों के, अगर कोई कारणवश दूर हो. They have the same blood, same genes, same 5 element body. If you want to please your mother, just pray, heal, and bless to all your brother and sister. पूरा ध्यान अपने भाई बहन. Now become aware of your any good friend who help you in your wrong time and teach you, guide you. अपने किसी भी दोस्त को याद करें जो आपको विश्वास है कि रात को 2 बजे भी फोन लगाएंगे, बगैर कारण जाने आएगा. Pay the gratitude to your friend. First, the close friend, and then all your friend circle. अपने सभी दोस्तों के प्रति कृतज्ञ हो. They have different blood, different genes, but they are connected with you with an intention. Now become aware of your all mentors. Give you knowledge, you apply. Professional mentor, spiritual mentor, व्यवसायिक गुरु, आध्यात्मिक गुरु, जिनसे आपने कुछ भी ज्ञान लिया, अपने जीवन पे लागू किया, उन पर अपना ध्यान रखो. Think of your spiritual guru, spiritual mentor. मन ही मन कृतज्ञ हो उस गुरु तत्व के जो आप जैसा ही शरीर लेकर आए, साथ में देने की कला भी साथ में. Art of giving. Now become aware of moon again. Today, moon is becoming in the shadow due to eclipse. But feel the snow white moon. Imagine the light is with you. चंद्रमा की शीतल किरणें आपके साथ हैं. Full attention on your moon. Om Jam Jam Jam. Now, in the same snow white presence, bring your attention on your unboiled milk, which you kept near with you. Up where you kept the milk, जहां भी आप दूध रखते हैं, उस स्थान पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं. Bring your attention where you keep the milk. Those are having the pot near with you, just bring your attention there. अगर किसी बर्तन में आपके पास में दूध रखा हुआ है, उस पर अपना ध्यान ले आए या दूध के स्थान पर. श्वेता उस मिल्क की कटोरी को अपने हाथ में उठा लें, अगर आपके पास रखा है. अगर नहीं तो जहां दूध है रखते हैं आप, वहां पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं. पॉट को अपने राइट हैंड से कवर कर लें. कवर बाय योर राइट हैंड, कीपिंग द लेफ्ट हैंड कवर बाय योर राइट हैंड. And those forget to keep being attention on the place where you keep the milk. Touch your forehead on that pot, especially. अपना मस्तक लगाएं इस कटोरी पर. Those are forget, just bring attention. Offer your gratitude to the place where you keep the milk. Yade Sarvabhuteshu Matrurupe Sastita नमस्तस्से 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 नमो नमः। Full attention. Keep your pot in the side. बर्तन साइड में रख दें, दोनों हाथ हथेलियां घुटनों पर, पूरा ध्यान गले पर. Full attention on your throat. कि गुरु मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम. तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम. प्रियतम तुम्ही प्राणनाथ तुम्ही प्रियतम तुम्ही प्राणनाथ तुम्ही मन के नाथ तुम्ही मेरे सांब शिवा. गुरु मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम. तुम्ही भक्ति हो तुम्ही शक्ति हो तुम्ही भक्ति हो तुम्ही शक्ति हो तुम्ही मुक्ति हो मेरे साथ शिवा. गुरु मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम. Become aware of just think whatever you want. जो भी अपने आने वाले जीवन से चाहते हैं ask. Keep delighting with all your desires. किस चीज से मुक्ति चाहते हैं? Which you rid of. You want to get rid of and whatever you want. जिस चीज को नहीं चाहते और क्या चाहते हैं आने वाले जीवन से इस चंद्र ग्रहण की गुरु पूर्णिमा के साथ मांगे. एज ए फादर, जितने रिश्ते हैं आपके, सभी रिश्तों के साथ न्याय करते हुए जो मांगना है इस ग्रुप के साथ मांगे। कीपिंग अटेंशन ऑन योर थ्रोट एरिया, अपने गले पर ध्यान रखते हुए बड़े ही कृतज्ञ भाव के साथ, भोले भाव के साथ एंड पूर्ण भाव के साथ अपनी आंखें आहिस्ता आहिस्ता खोल सकते हैं अपने समय के साथ। Become aware of your throat area. You can open your eyes slowly, taking your own time. पानी का ग्लास साथ में रखें. Keep the drinking water covered by your right hand and drink the water. जो जिन लोगों ने पास में अपने दूध रखा था, they kept the milk, उसी पॉट में वो रखें. लिटिल बिट मिक्स द जगारी, थोड़ा गुड़ होता है ना, गुड़ जगारी, जगारी, अंडरस्टैंड? मिक्स सम जगारी and keep that for 24 hours. Tomorrow morning, because in the US there is a night, they can offer in the morning. But those are in the India, they keep with up to morning. Okay, because in the US, Aarti, Ritu, everyone, Balaji, the night. It means Jagari and use it morning. Morning, if possible, all the Indians are, or if possible, they can offer a shivling, they can go ahead. If they are unable to offer a shivling, because first focus on your practical life, just pour that mixture of milk and jagari in any plant root, किसी भी पौधे की जड़ में डाल दें. All the USA people, in the morning they have to do it, okay, and Indian they have to do that tomorrow morning, okay. Yes, जो भारत के लोग हैं वह कल सुबह इस दूध में थोड़ा भी अभी डालेंगे जगारी, तो वह डालकर एक कुछ कल सुबह या तो शिवलिंग पर अपन अर्पित करें, घर में शिवलिंग हो तो, नहीं तो किसी शिवलिंग में बाहर डालें, बहुत अच्छी बात है, प्रवाहित समर्पित करें. अगर नहीं है, प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में इजी नहीं है आपका, तो फिर किसी अपने पौधे की जड़ में डालें. कभी गिल्ट में नहीं रहे कि गुरुजी ने बोला था शिवलिंग पे डालने का और हम तो नहीं डाल पा रहे हैं. Everybody, you are one part of शिवलिंग. ओके, अगर आपकी सहजता हो, जैसे श्रावण मास हो जाएगा कल से लागू, हम मंदिर जाते हैं तो आप वहां पर देख लें। ओके, यस, कैसा रहा आज बताओ? गुड। आरती, कैसा रहा बेटा?
ठीक हूँ गुरु जी, आप कैसे हैं?
बस बढ़िया बेटा, तू अच्छी तो हम अच्छे, आप लोग अच्छे तो हम अच्छे।
आपका
बस मैं बेटा आशीर्वाद सदा साथ में, हर सांस के साथ आप लोगों के साथ में। तो कंचन जी भी अर्ली मॉर्निंग दुबई से उठ गए, दिस इज द मेन एटीट्यूड। रियली बहुत कुछ मिला आपको आज। आप याद अभी अपने आप से बात करना, हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के विचारों कहीं और हों, दे आर अनेबल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट, बट आफ्टर दे रिसीव लॉट। अगर आपने कृतज्ञता के साथ, विश्वास के साथ आखिरी के कुछ पलों में जो बोला था मैंने कि आप मांगे अपने आप से क्या चाहते हैं, कौन सी पीड़ा दूर रखना चाहते हैं, किसको गेट रीड ऑफ करना चाहते हैं, मेरा पूरा विश्वास है कि आपको मिलेगा। एंड टुडे 8 अगेन एकादश अध्याय आज गीता का। देखो योग भी देखो आप कैसा भगवान ने लीला रखी कि आज एकादश अध्याय है और रूप के, आप जस्ट सी द टाइमिंग। हमने कभी कल्पना नहीं की थी कि ऐसा होगा, ऐसा मैंने हम सामान्यतः 11 बार श्वास लेते हैं, 11 बार हम श्वास करते हैं, है ना? जस्ट सी, टुडे इज द 11th डे ऑफ महाभारत एंड आज के एकादश अध्याय में कृष्ण भगवान ने अपना विराट रूप दिखाया अर्जुन को और दिव्य नेत्र दी कि तू ऐसे नहीं देख सकता तेरी आंखों से, तो मुझे देखना चाहता है, देख। we'll discuss today 8:30. Till then, take care of yourself. Happy Guru Purnima. और बस आप मन ही मन आज का दिन मां को समर्पित करें, चंद्रग्रहण है, एंड टॉक विथ योर ऑल माता पिता बंधु सखा, माता को पिता को जितने बंधु हैं उन सबको, जितने दोस्त हैं, you all in my prayer, whatever you want you get it, it's my promise, but for me you just keep a smile on your face. Again we are going to meet today 8:30. Blessings.